Okay, let me start out by saying we're going to look at the air conditioner, the Carrier. This is at my grandparents' house, and here's the side garage door, the back door. Watch when I open this. It's pretty full there. Some tracks there for some animal, but see, I'm gonna be stepping out here. Drifts are gigantic. I'll show you there. It's right over there. Oops. I showed you in the well, actually I didn't make another video because I'm doing it on my iPod. But check this out. The furnace vent. Furnace fluid pipes for the high energy efficient Carrier furnace. 93%. There's an air conditioner. You cannot see it, can you? No, I'll give you a little bit of a... Right there. Yep, believe it or not. That is a Carrier. Oh, I heard something chirping. Hope it's not a squirrel or something. Don't want to get attacked. Anyways. Oh, wait, that's just my shoe rubbing against. Anyways, that's the... Oop, the emblem's coming off. Better be careful. But yeah, this is the top. And it's definitely the air conditioner. Carrier. So yeah, the model number is hidden behind here. It is deep snow. There you go. Info tag. It's model number. I have my other video, but it's 1001E10227. Actually, that's serial. The model is model 38CK C024 24330. So anyways, 2 ton buried in the snow. There's freon lines. So it's just kind of funny. It just, you don't see it. Never had this weather before. I've never seen this thing buried. Neither have I seen my ream this buried. Very much under the snow. Maybe I'll uncover the top a little more, just so that it can be like a square type unit. You get the idea. You've seen my other video, or if you haven't, just go to my channel and look at it. Carrier, furnace, AC, whatever. Anyways, I'll go back inside maybe and take another video of the furnace, maybe. I don't know. I already have a video up, so it's not a big deal. Alright, but anyways, yeah, that's the Carrier 2 ton from 2001 air conditioner sitting under 2 feet, 3 feet of drifted snow. And there's the vents again. Exhaust and combustion air intake. And the sensor for the furnace right there. I'm not sure if it's 2-stage or what, but anyways. Oh.